Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a look at the PUMA CA-PRO. Before we get into the review, guys, if you are new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Drop some thumbs up, we want to see them likes, and show us some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment. Let's get into the review. So today we've got a look at an update of a classic. So we've got a look at the PUMA CA-PRO, and we've got this in a white colorway, and we've got this in a UK size 6, it's a European 39, and it's a US size 7. Let's get opening. And there it is. This is really clean. Like, I'd say people are growing tired of a white on white Air Force One. If you are one of those people, these aren't too bad. You know, give us a shout. Nice substitute for the Air Force One. But let's get into the specs. So we start with the outsole, and we got an all rubber outsole, and you got that nice deep lining of traction with the PUMA logo at the heel. Moving towards the midsole, so the midsole too is rubber, and going along to the upper, it's an all leather upper, really nice. You see that tumbled effect that's there in the toe box with the perforations. Going towards the lateral side here, and you've got the classic PUMA logo embedded in gold and that PUMA stripe on the side, and you can find it on the medial side as well. Lacing, typical lacing system, cannot go wrong with that lace closure. At the tongue, it's a bit padded, nice with the leather outer with the PUMA logo, that's gold as well. Just nice white, gold, great combination of colors. Going along into the heel, again, it's an all leather heel tab there, and you've got the PUMA logo. In the inner, it's all synthetic. The insole has the PUMA logo, and I just want to round it off with a PUMA logo that's embedded in the midsole. So these are a classic take. These are the updated versions of the PUMA California. Absolute, like, such a clean sneaker. The difference of this is being that the sides is more reinforced and it's a bit thicker in the midsole unit, so you get a bit more height. There's more comfort as well because of the insole depth. And yeah, just to round it off there, such a nice clean looking sneaker. I won't be trying these on, got a substitute to do that for me, and we'll let you know how the sizing is, how fit it is, and what it looks good with. After here, let's do it, let's go. When it comes to the fit, guys, get your true to size PUMA fit. These are a UK size 6. In terms of comfort, they're comfy. Not much else more to say there. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.